Hi boys and girls, we have been talking about winter and I have a story I want to read to you later. We're going to make a snowman with Play-Doh. And with the Play-Doh we're going to use your fine motor skills. And this Play-Doh I'm using is gray and I'm using white. And I'm also using yarn and I'm using pipe cleaners. So let's get started. First we're going to have to roll a ball. Put the Play-Doh in your hand and try to roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. So the gray part of the Play-Doh is going to be the bottom. We're going to roll like this. Put it on here and roll it like this. So you're going to make your big ball. Okay, so we're going to put it down. And next we're going to take the white and we're going to make two balls out of it. Okay. Then we're going to take the middle one. The middle should be medium size. And roll and roll. And roll it. And try to make a round ball. Now let's see. Okay, I'm going to stick that one here. So that's the middle. And the next one will be the head. And it should be small. But you can make your snowman any size you want. It's left up to you. Just get you some Play-Doh and start rolling. Okay. Then we're going to put the head. Trying to make it. Okay. And for the eyes, I have wiggly eyes. The wiggly eyes. Put another eye in one ball. And then the nose, I'm going to use the nose. Then the scalp, I'm going to use yarn. I'll take the yarn, put it around his neck. Okay. And the hat. Kind of make a little dent right there. So we can put the hat. Okay. Now the arms, on the arms I made him have what? Gloves or mittens. These are his mittens. Give him another. And then we throw it around. And then it's your snowman. See, the bottom is larger. Then the middle part is medium size. And the top is small. And you have wiggly eye, a hat, mittens, and a scarf. And that's your snowman. Get out of play.